History, second chapter, the Sultans of Delhi. We now begin with question answers. E. Short answer type questions. E1. Who was the greatest king of the slave dynasty? Give reasons for your answer. Answer E1. You write Shamsuddin Iltutmish and the year in which he took over, 1210 to 1236, was the greatest king of the slave dynasty. Give reasons for your answer. Now for this, Iltutmish is considered as the consolidator of the slave dynasty. He faced many problems but dealt with them with valor and intelligence. After that, you'll write the answer in points. Number 1, Iltutmish fought against the Turkish nobles and Rajput rulers in the north. Then number 2, he annexed Bihar and Bengal to his empire. Number 3, Iltutmish also defeated Muhammad Ghori's general Kabacha. Number 4, he refused shelter to the victims of Genghis Khan and saved his empire from Mongol attacks. Number 5, he completed the construction of the Qutub Minar. That's it. E2. Why did Muhammad bin Tughlaq shift his capital to Daulatabad? Answer. Muhammad bin Tughlaq decided to transfer his capital from Delhi to Devagiri, that is Daulatabad. There are 2 reasons behind this. You'll write them in jotters. First jotter, Muhammad bin Tughlaq thought that it would be a better place to administer and control the empire. Number 2, the Mongols constantly threatened Delhi. Daulatabad would never have such a problem. That's it. Question E3. What did Alauddin do to support his large army? Answer E3. The soldiers had to be fed. This was done through the produce collected as tax from lands. Tax was fixed at 50% of the peasants' yield. The soldiers had to be paid. Alauddin chose to pay his soldiers' salaries in cash. The soldiers would buy their supplies from merchants in Delhi, and it was thus feared that merchants would raise their prices. To stop this, Alauddin controlled the price of goods in Delhi. In this way, he kept a check and strengthened his army. E4. Mention any 2 welfare schemes of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Answer. Firoz Shah Tughlaq introduced many welfare schemes for his people. Number 1, he dug new tanks to store water for agricultural purposes. Please leave this point. Number 2, he dug canals from the rivers Yamuna and Satluj. These canals irrigated a large area of land. After that, a little paragraph without any point. He constructed 30 mosques, 40 buildings for educational institutions, hospitals, public baths, wells, and bridges. New cities were also built during his reign. Till here, E4. Question E5. Who was Razia Sultan? Why did she fail as the queen of the Delhi Sultanate? Answer. She was the daughter of Iltutmish and the only woman Sultan of Delhi. After that, her reign was full of problems as she faced many rebellions from the nobles of her dynasty. Then leave 2-3 lines. The nobles conspired against her and killed her in a battle. Exercise F. Long answer type questions. F1. Why was Muhammad bin Tughlaq called an ill-starred idealist? Answer. Muhammad bin Tughlaq wanted to expand his empire in order to have control over both North and South India, he decided to move his capital to Daulatabad. Instead of first moving his offices there, he forcibly moved the entire population of Delhi to the new capital. The plan failed due to inadequate arrangements in Daulatabad. The capital had to be shifted back again to Delhi. Then leave 2-3 lines. Begin from a fresh line. Muhammad bin Tughlaq also introduced token currency for the first time in India. He issued token coins in copper and brass. Very few people exchanged their gold and silver coins for the new copper ones. This plan of his too failed. It is said that after the plan failed, there were heaps of copper coins lying around the royal office for years. Then change the paragraph. Due to his follies, he became very unpopular with his subjects. He lost the trust of the common people and the ulemas. Stop till here and then write, these are the reasons why he is called an ill-starred idealist. Thank you. F2. Explain various economic measures undertaken by Alauddin Khilji. Answer. Alauddin wanted to conquer Deccan and Rajasthan. For this he needed a strong army. To maintain the army, he needed large revenues. First jotter, to increase revenue collection, he controlled the prices of all commodities, food grains, cattle, slaves, etc. Number 2, the Sultan made arrangements for the government to buy all these excess non-perishable commodities. Number 3, a strict watch was kept on buying and selling of commodities. Number 4, anyone found cheating was severely punished. Number 5, under Alauddin Khilji, the state brought the assessment and collection of land revenue under its control. After that, leave 2-3 lines. Come to this part. The revenue reforms made more money available to the king. With the help of the money, Alauddin was able to keep a permanent standing army. That's it. F3. Describe the expansion of Delhi Sultanate under Alauddin Khilji. Answer. Alauddin wanted to expand his empire. The first step in this direction was the conquest of Gujarat and Malwa. He tried to establish his control over Rajasthan by capturing the forts of Ranthambore and Chittor. Till here the first point, then change the paragraph. Begin from the second line here. He launched campaigns in the Deccan led by Malik Kafur. He was the first Delhi Sultan whose army crossed the Vindhya mountains. Malik Kafur defeated the Yadavas of Devagiri and the Kakatiyas of Warangal. He then set forth in AD 1310 to attack the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra and Pandyas of Mabar. Now with this we finish the chapter. You are supposed to do the 2 maps given as an activity. Please see that you finish off as soon as you get the physical map of India. Thank you.